Step 1. Left-click Start button. Type CMD. Right-click Command prompt is in this video. Left-click Run as administrator. Left-click Yes. Step 2. Open Windows Explorer. Open the path C. Windows. System 32. Drivers. Etc. Host file. Step 3. Left-click Start button. Type Notepad. Right-click Notepad as in this video. Left-click Run as administrator. Left-click Yes. Step 4. In Notepad Windows. Left-click File. Left-click Open. Go to the path C. Windows System 32 Drivers etc. Left-click all files as in this video. Left-click Host file. Left-click Open. Type 127.0.0.1 myname. Left-click File. Left-click Save. Step 5. Left-click Start button. Type CMD. Right-click Command prompt is in this video. Left-click Run as administrator. Left-click Yes. Step 6. Type ping.myname. Press Enter. To confirm DNS, lookmyname as 127.0.0.1. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.